Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to explain the cases part, which is everyone, the German learner, feels it very tricky. Now, there are three cases mainly: nominative, accusative, and dative. One more is there, genitive, we'll see it later. Now, see, accusative datives are so tricky. Why people think it's very difficult when to speak, in accusative, when to speak in dative sentences, when to use accusative articles, when to use dative articles. Now, see, nominative case we must understand first. When there is one subject, one verb, one object, right? Straight away you're giving some information, you're telling about some any information. That is nominative case, the format subject verb object, right? एक्यूजेटिव के केस में आपको वहाँ ध्यान रखना है कि जब उस सेंटेंस में एक ऑब्जेक्ट हो, एक सब्जेक्ट हो, मीन्स वो एक्शन करने के लिए ऑब्जेक्ट इज मस्ट, राइट? सो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट इज एक्यूजेटिव. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, we can say the example of haben. Haben is accusative verb. Käufen, accusative verb. If I say ich habe, तो ask the question what. What you have. क्या है? Haben means to have. Käufen means to buy. What you buy. You ask, you will think the object. We must need object. उसके लिए आपको object चाहिए. Same way, in dative, what we are doing, in dative, if there are the dative prepositions, you understand it is a dative sentence. So, which are the dative prepositions? For example, meet, for example, zoo, zoom. So, dative को पहचानना है dative के preposition से, accusative को पहचानना है one object, one subject. So, you will understand कि वो accusative sentence है, you will understand वो dative sentence है. और nominative के लिए you will understand कि one normal subject, verb and object format, which is normally we speak, right? And accusative के verbs का एक लिस्ट निकाल लो, उसे लर्न करो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, उसे पहचानना है तो व्हाट क्वेश्चन पूछो, व्हाट यू आर बाइंग, व्हाट यू हैव, व्हाट यू आर सर्चिंग, फिंडन, व्हाट यू फाइंड. और कुछ ऐसे वर्ब्स है जो आपको कंफ्यूज करते हैं क्योंकि वो दोनों में है. सम प्रेपोजिशन इज कॉमन, सम वर्ब्स आर कॉमन. कुछ वर्ब्स एक्यूजेटिव में भी यूज होते हैं, कुछ वर्ब्स डाटिव में भी यूज होते हैं. ओके, सो आई वन मोर long video I'll do on this accusative and dative, which is really a tricky part in German. So if you want a big video on this with the written examples and all in detail, so comment me that you want that video. Comment yes, so I'll post a longer video on dative and accusative cases. Thank you very much.